Good morning, everybody. It's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. If you caught our video yesterday, we just got in a semi-load of U10 PROs. I wanted to show you a little bit about how they come to us. We did get a little bit of snow last night here at Big Pine Sports. So cool on the inside. These U10 PROs are the next level for CFMOTO. Everything's really nice. Tail lights, headlights, the cab all looks very high end. We'll get this baby put together today and do another walk around of it outside of the crate. 435-427-3338. Give us a call, shoot us a text, or check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com.